So do you want to make a great tasting smoked hamburger that's better than any burger you can get from any fast food restaurant? Well, stay tuned. That's what we're doing right here today on Barbecue Boulevard. So most people love a great tasting burger. Well, you know what? You combine those fantastic flavors with the great cuisine of Texas barbecue, and man, you're gonna have a winner on your hands. So today, we're gonna season up some beef patties that we got from our local HEB, and we're gonna smoke them away on our Yoder YS640. So let's get to it. All right, guys, so as I said, we've got us some ground chuck patties. We're gonna make this a very simple cook. So we've bought some already formed ground chuck patties from our local HEB, and today we're going to be seasoning this up with Adam's burgers, fries, and more. It's a multi-seasoning that you can use on burgers, fries, vegetables, whatever you want to use it on. So that's what we're going to go ahead and season these burgers with today. I'm not even going to use a binder, guys. We're just going to put this directly on our patties. I believe I got this seasoning from I got it from Academy, my local Academy, which is a store here in Central Texas, and I'm not sure where all they're at, to be honest with you. But we got one side seasoned. We're going to go ahead and flip these over and get the other side seasoned up as well. And sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. I'm pretty liberal with the amount that I put on. And then we're just going to kind of press it in. Now, one thing that we're going to do here is I'm going to take a little bit of my seasoning and we're going to sprinkle it onto our tray here. Then we're just going to roll the burgers to get the edges seasoned. So today we are using our Yoder YS640. We're going to be running it with post oak pellets, and we're going to be cooking at a temperature of 275 degrees. So let's go ahead and get these burgers put on the Yoder. Alright guys, so hey, we've had these burgers on the Yoder now for about 15 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and get them flipped over. We're going to try to get a good even cook on these burgers. So let's get these burgers flipped over on the Yoder, alright? Alright guys, so hey, we got our burgers flipped over. Again, we've had them on for about 15, maybe 20 minutes. What we're looking for here is we're trying to get our burgers up to about 140 degrees. Once we get to 140, we'll get the cheese on, get it melted, then we'll get these burgers off and get them assembled. Alright guys, so hey, we hit our temperature we're looking for, and we just got our cheese slices put on a couple of patties there. So we're going to go ahead and try to get this burger assembled. So first up, let's get some honey mustard on the bun. Okay, next up we're going to put on some vegetables, and we're going to go with some spring mix. We tend to do a lot of salads with spring mix, so I'm making it really easy for us, and we're going to put that on. So we've got our spring mix on. Next up, we're going to put our burger patty on. We're going to follow that up with some tomato. Next up, we're going to put on some onions. Followed by a couple of pickles. And last up, good old ketchup. And that right there, guys, is just a simple smokehouse burger that we made on our Yoder YS640. So let's take a bite. Alright guys, this was a very fast and simple cook. I hope you enjoyed it. If you found that this video was useful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And make sure you connect with me by following me on Instagram and Facebook, as I put a lot of different posts up there. That's where you get a lot of the behind the scenes stuff that I have going on whenever I'm doing cooks, or when I'm not doing cooks, or when I'm doing cooks and not putting them on YouTube. So make sure you join that and follow me on IG as well as Facebook. Interact with me. If there's any other cooks that you guys want to see in the future, drop them down there in the comment section below and I'll see if I can make that happen for you. Also, if you really enjoyed this video, I'm going to put a link up here so you can check out some of my other content. Until the next video, guys, I'm the Dawgfatha. Peace. We're almost there. Temperature check we just did a temperature. Alright guys, so hey, this was a very fast and fun, simple cook. Very easy to make smokehouse burgers. So good old simple smash burger. So first up, let's get these and we're gonna go ahead and get these put on the grill. So today we are using our guys, so we're gonna get these burgers completed.